Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. What's up? Thank you so much for watching me another video. Guys, today's video I'm going to show you my makeup and hair tutorial. I'm just gonna do a kind of a get ready with me video, and I'm going to show you what I wear. Basically, this one is not gonna what I'm going to wear, so I'm definitely not gonna go out like that. But I'm gonna show you my outfit today because I'm really excited about that. I'm honestly really late right now because I'm supposed to meet with my friends like about 7 o'clock, and right now it's 6 o'clock, so I feel like it's not gonna be the same time, but I will try my best. But right now all I want to do is just to go and start doing my makeup. So you guys, if you want to see me getting ready for my night out, just keep watching me. I'm going to start with the perfect primer on the planet. This primer is just like so good. I've never tried a primer that actually give me the same effect and actually feel everything inside the skin. This one is just like so good, and I cannot trade it for any other primer because honestly I've never tried any good primer as this one. So to be honest, whenever I am getting ready to someplace, I'm actually turning on music. So I'm just gonna go and Google. What's going on with that? My Google is not working. I mean, maybe it doesn't understand my accent. It's probably the reason. So I just put on my music because I really like listening to music while I'm doing my makeup. So what I need to do next is just to go and do my foundation. The foundation I'm actually going to use is this MAC Match Master SPF foundation. Basically, I have been using this foundation quite a lot lately because I feel like I'm pretty tan because the scents I'm using, and what is happening that I'm getting really dark from day to day. So I'm just gonna use this foundation right here because I just feel like this shade matches me the best for what I have right now. So okay, so the concealer that I'm actually going to use is this Hourglass concealer. Now this one has just been one of my favorites too. I really like just using it just a little bit under my eyes and besides my eyes as well. If I'm not doing my makeup while I'm listening to music, I can do my makeup like in 10 minutes. But when I'm listening to music, it's actually taking me like literally 1 hour and a half. That is just not a good idea. So I'm just gonna go and blend my concealer with this cute Real Technique blender right here. Just gonna go and blend everything in my foundation. You guys, the next song you're probably not gonna understand what the song means unless you are Israeli or you know Hebrew. Okay, so right now I'm going to set my concealer and my whole makeup. I'm just gonna use this Morphe setting powder right here. Just a little bit under my eyes. Oh my god, that is a good one too. I'm just gonna go with this concealer brush right here. I'm just gonna go and just blend my whole setting powder. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use this Baby Got Peach of Coral Pop. The Coral Pop, that is the brand. I'm sorry, I have a huge blackout today. I'm going to use this one for my eyes. I know that last video I actually used the Lila Hue a lot, which is also by Coral Pop, and this one is just from the same collection. And I was like, wait, this one just has a beautiful colors, so I'm just gonna go and try it too. Ready, so really caught my eye, this shade right here, which this one is called Center Forward. I'm just gonna go with a blending brush. Oh my gosh, that is really pretty, but it has like such a beautiful color. like how far the axis. Just gonna go and use this one as a base. Really pigmented, really what's the word? Lightweight. That's the word. Alrighty, right now I'm just gonna go and make it pop a little bit to add some shiny to all this business right here. Just gonna go and use this one, which this one is called Get Even. Just gonna go and put it on my eyelid. Ooh, oh my gosh! Okay, so I really love these glitter right here. This is just everything. I just feel like the eyeliner is just missing here, you know, just to make it a little bit more wingy. So I'm just gonna go and go in my eyeliner, do my eyeliner, and I will be right back. So for the bronzer, I'm using this Fenty Beauty right here. The shade right here is Bajan Jayar. So basically this song means about Friday, because Friday, you know, in Jewish people, it's kind of a big deal. We are doing a big dinner and it's time for family. So it's just like my favorite day, except Saturday. I think that Saturday is my favorite day. But it's just like Friday, it's like so, it's something different in the hair. So I really love Friday. Do a little bit of nose contour, just a little bit, because I honestly don't have time at all. Like I'm supposed to meet my friend like about 20 minutes and I'm not even close to finish. For the blush I'm going to use for my first time, Milani blush. Yesterday I wasn't in CVS because I had to get something personal, and I actually saw this blush and I was like, it's only $6, so I need to get it. And right now it's time to go and do my eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go and use the Danessa My Wax right here. I honestly think that I'm going to mix this one, this two right here, with this one as well. So I just want to go and just add a little bit in my inner corner. So I'm just gonna go and use this one, which is Ready or Yacht, I guess, which is this one right here. Just gonna do in my inner corner right here. Damn girl, right now it just complete the looks much better. For my lips, I'm gonna use this Lancome lip pencil right here. This one is called Nude, and I'm just gonna go and line my lips. And on top of it, I'm gonna use the Off-White lipstick. This one is called Bel Hair. Alrighty, I am done with makeup, and right now I just need to set it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, I'm too glam for just night out to restaurant. Like, that is crazy. Righty, so I am ready, and I put this top right here, which this one is from Zara. And I got it for like about a week ago. It's just pretty new. And I also got this one. I mean, it's pretty big on me, but I kind of like it that it's kind of loose. This is the bag, which I actually got it from H&M, but I just think that is super cute because it's like super small. Hey guys, so that was my video. Get ready with me for my night out, super and extra glam for just not out to restaurant. Yeah, it's pretty much me. That's what I'm doing 100% of the time. My channel, just make sure to subscribe my channel and press on the button right here, so make sure not to miss any of my content. And thank you so much for watching me, and I really hope that you had fun with me. Thank you so much, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.